Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make this crispy crackers with a spicy twist. Let's see how to do it. Into a bowl add some all-purpose flour with some salt, then add the spices like some red chili powder, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, some jaggery just to balance the taste, add some sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. Mix it really well. Add some vegetable oil and mix it. Then slowly add in water, mix it and make it into a soft dough. Now the dough is ready. Take small portions from it. Roll it and place it on a butter paper. Now add some flax seeds and chopped curry leaves on top of this. Now using a bowl, press it down till it becomes very thin. Now our one cracker is ready. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and make all the crackers in the same manner. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes or till it becomes crispy. It's super easy to make. Spicy crispy crackers are ready. It's perfect to have with evening tea. So do try it out. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.